Hey guys, welcome back. It is Ianeica J's little sister, and I'm gonna be doing her voiceover to her makeup tutorial today. I'm not sure if it's really a tutorial, but I will be talking you through the steps. And right now, she's just filling in her brows. Not too bold. You don't want to push too hard. You don't want them to be too dark, and also you don't want to have too high of an arch. And you could use any brow pencil of your choice. Be sure to brush out your eyebrows before you do this step and throughout. And she's just gonna fill in the other brow. She concealed under, and now she's doing one layer of foundation all over. She's going to conceal under her eyes, on her nose, forehead, chin, and cheeks. She's gonna beat that in. Beat it. Beat it. She's still beating. She's beat it. Make sure to get under your eye. You don't want to have that one spot that's not covered. She's concealing on top of her eyes, on her eyelids, her nose, her forehead, and you're just gonna beat that in. Be sure that it's blended well, and then you're gonna bake. You're gonna bake it, girl. Bake it. Like, if you're not baking, what are you doing? What are you doing? She's baking under her eyes and on her chin, her nose. And then now she's contouring her nose and her cheeks. And these are the places that you want to be dark and to sit back. She's contouring with her Juvia's Place contour stick. It was a mixture of two. And now she's just using her blending brush to beat that in. Beat it in real well. Y'all know what it is. Beat it. And we're just beating. We're gonna beat the cheeks in the forehead. Again, these are all the places that you want to be deep and to sit back, to be dark. But don't worry, they won't be dark always, because later on we're gonna get our highlight and we're going to pull it forward, bring it out. We're gonna bake again. We're gonna bake the cheeks after beating the contour. She's putting a light colored blush on her cheeks. I don't know the exact name or the color of the blush, but it's a light colored pinkish blush. And then we're going to take that highlight, as I said before, and just pull out those deep pushback spots that we contoured. We're going to pull those out. We're going to highlight the nose. And you don't want to do this too hard. Just do a dusting motion, as you can see. And on her lid, she's using this dark pink, fuchsia maybe. And you're going to also use purple. You also don't want to, I can't speak. You also don't want to do this too hard. You just want to do a lightly circular motion. And as you can see, she went in with a little purple on her lids. And then she goes in with the blue. Now this blue and this purple is just helping you to see the crease, the line in your brow, so you know where to put the concealer. You don't want to put this all over your lid. Just want to put this on top of the blue where we created the line between the blue and the purple. You don't want to go to the end of your eyes. You just want to do the beginning. And then you're going to add another layer of blue. And then we're just going to make sure you apply your glitter glue. And for her tear ducts, she's just using this bright green. Don't want to put too much, but you still have to have that little pop of color. And then she's just taking this light blue glitter, and she's going to pat that on. You don't want to rub, just pat. You want to use your finger to make sure that the glitter is set in onto the glue. And as you can see, she's doing a dusting motion.
A white eyeliner? I mean a white liquid liner.
She's using this white liquid liner to outline the glitter. And then on the other eye, she's just going to apply the glitter glue again. Be very steady, because again we are only applying this to the blue eyeshadow, and then we're going to pat the glitter on. Don't rub, because it will be glitter everywhere. Just a patting motion. We're going to pat it in with our fingers to make sure that it's set into the glue. And she's just going under her eye with a blue liner. A green, sorry. A greenish blue. It's turquoise. Y'all get what I'm saying. And then we're going to pat in a little more purple eyeshadow. She's just outlining her lips with a brown eyebrow pencil. Now this step you don't want to do too dark because your lips will be very, very bold, and I don't think you want that. Then she's just going to take this light gloss and fill in. And then she's taking this nude. And this step here, she's just using her fingers. You want to use your fingers to get the excess lip gloss and lipstick so that it won't be on your teeth when you smile. And this is the finishing product. Cute, cute. She added some nice mink lashes. You know, you gotta have the blinks. You gotta have the blinks. Sis is giving you looks. Yes, yes, yes. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow her on IG at Ianeica_Stylist MUA. And be sure to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.